city streets are losing their brightness and charm at night. Increasing power consumption on one hand and depletion of minerals like coal on the other. Proper planning and judicious use of renewable resources is the best way to handle this situation, say scientists and technologists.
I have to think of a solution to solve this problem. Hey, who are you? Bro, I'm yourself. Why can't we solve this problem together? Great idea. Do you hear that sound? Yes, the sound of overflowing water. Why can't we use that to generate power? You mean hydropower? Absolutely. Let's dive deep into it. Hydroelectric energy is a form of energy that harnesses the power of water in motion. Till now, hydroelectricity is generated in a macro level, like in dams, waterfalls, etc. But what if we can do this in a micro level? Now, our POC model is ready. This is a proof of concept model, micro hydroelectric power plant. This is a Pelton turbine. The mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy by the electric generator. The electrical energy is then taken to the grid or can be stored in a power source. Lesser the flow rate, one LED will light up. Higher the flow rate, all the 4 LEDs will light up. Now, let's put our POC to test. Now we can see, as the force increased, all the 4 LEDs started lighting up. So our POC is a success. But where can we install this micro power plant? There are many places like conventional overhead tanks, multi-story buildings, etc. But how can we install this inside the discharge pipe?
Here is the design of a turbine chamber. Inside the chamber, we will have a volute to increase the velocity of water. This design will help get maximum RPM and also will help compensate for the pressure loss due to the placement of turbine inside the discharge pipe.
To understand the use of this power plant, we have taken the metrics of a 15-floor building.
The total height of the building is 47 meters from the ground to the base of the overhead tank. The builders usually install a pressure reduction valve or PRV system at the roof level of the 7th floor. As per building guidelines, 2 PRV systems should be installed with one being a standby. Our proposal is to replace the main PRV system with our micro hydro power plant. Our plant will help reduce the pressure as required, but also generate power from the water pressure that is otherwise wasted by using a PRV system. Typically, water pressure at the 7th floor level will be around 2.3 bars, but the required pressure is only 1.3. So assuming 1 liter of water flowing per second through a 40 mm pipe at a height of 23 meters, it can generate 160 watts per hour. This is for one pipe using one plant. A building of this scale will have 3 pipes to serve 3 apartments per floor, and so we can generate roughly 480 watts per hour.
Yes, there is cost involved and there will be question on return on investment. But my answer is very simple. Can we return the damages that we have caused to our Mother Nature?
The streets are regaining their beauty and brightness. Proper usage of renewable resources together with the use of micro hydro power plant has made this possible.